Good afternoon from Graham Family Farm. Here's our blue star chicks we got 2 weeks ago. Starting to get big. Not as quite as cute as they were. And we like to handle them so when they're bigger, they're not afraid of us. And they have no problem with us getting the eggs out of the coop. Not for sure if we got any males or not. I'm hoping they're all hens. My dog's worried about, thinks I'm hurting them. She's always protecting the babies. Anyway, that's what they look like after 2 weeks. Very soon they'll be big enough to move outside. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.